Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Nizar Ibrahim, and today we will be discussing 0580 mathematics topic functions, right? And as you all know that the videos which we are making, one purpose of this is that all the revenue which will be generated for the first 6 months will be donated to Palestinian people. So I would request all of the viewers to subscribe our channel and support our cause. Jazakallah khair. So first question, that is functions. Your function given to you is fx is equals to 3 plus 4x, right? Fx is equal to 3 plus 4x and gx is equals to 6x plus 7. You are given two functions, one f and one g. Find in its simplest form f3x. Now what we need to find out is the value written inside the brackets, right, like written over here is x, and so our function in form of x. If we are asked to find out a different value, we'll just substitute in place of x in the given function. So f3x is equal to 3 plus 4, and in place of x I will put 3x, right? So 3 plus 4 3 is 12, 12x. That's the answer. Clear? Okay. So second part B is fgx. Now this is basically a composite function in which we are asked to find out fgx, right? In this part. So fgx means, first we need to understand what fgx means. Fgx means put the function gx into f. It means that we will substitute the function gx into the variable of the function f, right? So first I will write it like this. In place of gx I'll put the value of gx, that is 6x plus 7. So what I did is I substitute the value of gx over here, right? Okay, next is I will put the value 6x plus 7, that is the value of gx, in the variable of f, function f. So 3 plus 4. Now in place of x I will put this value, that is 6x plus 7, right? So 6x plus 7. So 3, now simplifying it, 4 6 are 24x plus 4 7 are 28. 3 plus 28 is equals to 31. 24x plus 31 is the answer. Clear? Okay, question number 2. Fx is equals to 5 minus 2x. Function f, function g, both are given. Calculate f minus 3. Now the strategy which we followed in the second part, we have to follow the same. Now see what we need to do over here. f minus 3. It means that first take out the value of f minus 3 and then put it in the function's variable f, right? So first I'll take out f minus 3. What is f minus 3? Put the value minus 3 in the function f variable x. So 5 minus 2, and in place of x is minus 3. So 5 minus plus 2 3s are 6, 5 plus 6 11, right? So f minus 3 I have calculated over here, that is 11, right? So I'll put the value of f minus 3 here. So f 11. Now what I'll do, I'll put the value 11 in the function's variable, that is x. So 5 minus 2, and in place of x it's 11. So 5 minus 2, 11s are 22, which is equals to 5 minus 12 minus 17 is the answer. Clear? Okay. Second part B, find g2x. In place of a variable of the function g, I will put 2x. So g of x is x square plus 8. So g of 2x is equals to, in place of x, 2x. Square will be there plus 8. So 2x square is 4x square plus 8. Clear? Okay. Part 2, we are now looking at a different question having -1 sign, right? So f inverse x. Now how to calculate f inverse x? There are 3 to 4 steps in this part. I will do each step. First, f of x is equals to 5 minus 2x. In place of f of x, step 1, in place of f of x, put y. 5 minus 2x. Second step is invert the variables. I mean to say that in place of y put x, in place of x put y. So x is equals to 5 minus 2y. Third step is make the subject y. So minus 2y will come over here. 2y is equals to 5 minus x. X go over there. 2y come over here. Right now y is equals to 5 minus x upon 2. So now I have got it, y is equals to 5 minus x upon 2. This is what f inverse x. So in place of f inverse x, the answer is 5 minus x upon 2. Clear? Okay. Question number 3. We have function f of x, we have g of x, we have h of x. 3 functions are given. Okay. Part A is h 3 of x is equals to k of x. H 3 of x is equals to k of x. Right. So what is h of x? H of x is three of x, right? H 3 of x means put 3x in place of x. So in place of x, I put 3x. 3x, right? Now 3 to the power 3 is 27 power x. So if I compare this value h3 of x is equals to k of x with h3 of x is equals to 27 of x, let me write it over here. h3 of x is equals to k of x and h3 of x is equals to 27 of x. So what is k? I can see over here it is 27. By comparing, I got the answer of k, that is 27. Okay. Part B is find the value of x when f of x is equals to g2. Okay, now this is an equation, right? This is an equation. So f of x is equals to g2. Okay. Now what is f of x over here? F of x is 7 plus 3x. So in place of f of x, I substituted 7 plus 3x. In place of g2, I will put the value 2 in the function's variable of g. So what is g? Gx is x power 4. So it means 2 power 4. Right? Now solve this up. 7 plus 3x is equals to 2 power 4 is 16. Right? So 3x is equals to 16 minus 7. 3x is equals to 9. So x is equals to 9 upon 3, which is equals to 3. So the value of x is 3. I solved this equation. Is it clear? Okay. Find f inverse x. Against a similar type of a question, we will do it in a similar way. F of x is equals to 7 plus 3x. In place of f of x, I substitute y is equals to 7 plus 3x. Right? Then what we will do, we will invert the variables. So that is x is equals to 7 plus 3y. In place of yx, in place of xy. Now making the subject y. So 3y is equals to x minus 7. Y is equals to x minus 7 upon 3. Clear? Okay. Going to question number 4. We have the question having two functions f of x, g of x. Find g f of x. It means it's a composite function. We will substitute f into g, right? So g f of x is equals to g. In place of f of x, the value is x cube. Now what I'll do is I'll substitute x cube in the variable of the function g, right? So 5 in place of x, x cube plus 2. Clear? Simple. Okay, find g inverse of x. So gx is equals to 5x plus 2. In place of gx, y, 5x plus 2. Invert the variables. X is equals to 5y plus 2. And going on with this step, So 5y is equals to x minus 2, y is equals to x minus 2 upon 5. So the g inverse of x is x minus 2 upon 5. Clear? Okay, part B. H of x is equals to ax square plus 1. Find the value of a when h minus 2 is equal to 21. We are given an equation. H minus 2 is equals to 21. So h minus 2 is, put the value minus 2 in the function h of x. It's variable. So a will remain as it is. In place of x I put minus 2 square plus 1 is equals to 21. 2 square is 4. So 4a plus 1 is equals to 21. Right? So 4a is equals to 21 minus 1, which is equals to 20. And a is equals to 20 upon 4, which is equals to 5. Clear? Okay. Question number 5. F of x is equals to 2x plus 3. Find f bracket 1 minus x in its simplest form. Just substitute 1 minus x in the function's variable. So f1 minus x is equals to 2. In place of x, 1 minus x plus 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2x plus 3. It means that minus 2x, 2 plus 3 is 5. So we can write minus 2x plus 5 or 5 minus 2x. It's remain the same. Is it clear? Okay. Question number 6. Moving to question number 6. The function f of x is equals to 3x minus 5. G of x is equals to 2 power x. Find fg3. So you see all the questions which you are seeing in the video are almost common, right? Just 2 or 3 things are there in functions which are revolving in the past papers, right? fg3. So first I have to calculate what? g3, because I have to substitute the value of g3 over here in this variable, and then it will be substituted in the function variable x, right? So g3 is equals to, in place of x I put 3, so 2 power 3 is equals to 8, right? So f of 8 is equals to 3, 8 minus 5, 3 8s are 24, 24 minus 5 is equals to 19. Clear? 19 is the answer. F inverse x. So f of x is equals to 3x minus 5. First step, put y in place of f of x in the functions. Then second step, invert the variables. In place of yx, in place of xy. And then make the subject y. So 3y is equals to x plus 5. Minus 5 goes over here. And y is equals to x plus 5 upon 3. I hope that's clear to everyone. Okay, moving to question number 7. We have two functions f of x and g of x. We are given the value of a composite function fgx is equals to 20x plus p. Find the value of p. Okay, now first we are given again an equation fgx is equals to 20x plus p. So fgx means I need to first put the value of gx over here. So gx value is 5x minus 4, right? Now put the value of 5x minus 4 in the function f variable, right? So 4 in place of x, 5x minus 4, right, plus 3 is equals to 20x plus p. Simplifying it, 4 5s are 20, 20x minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is equals to 20x plus p, right? So 20x cancels with 20x because both are positive, left and right hand side. Okay, so p is equals to minus 16 plus 3 is equals to minus 13. I hope that's clear. Okay, the function h of x is equals to 5x minus 1 upon 3. Find h inverse x. So what I know is function h of x is equals to 5x minus 1 upon 3. In place of h of x, y. Invert the variables. So y becomes x, x becomes y. So 3x is equals to 5y minus 1. I'm making the subject y, so that's why I moved 3 over there. So 5y is equals to 3x plus 1. So y is equals to 3x plus 1 upon 5. So h inverse x is equals to 3x plus 1 upon 5. You see the steps which I followed again. Substitute first in place of h of x y. Second, invert the variables in place of x y in place of y x. Right? This I did over here. Okay. And then made the subject y. So I moved everything except the y over the other side. So 3 moved first. I moved 3 over there, 3x, and then minus 1 over there. Right, minus 1 moved over there, so it became plus 1, so 3x plus 1, and then moved 5 in the denominator. Is it clear? Okay, question number 8. Fx is equals to 3x square plus a, f minus 2 is equals to 19. We are given the function f of x is equals to 3x square plus a. And the second thing which I am given is f minus 2 is equals to 19, and find the value of a. So first I need to work on this part, right? F minus 2 is equals to 19. F minus 2 is equals to 19 means put the value of the function, put the value minus 2 in the function's variable. So f x is equals to 3x square plus a. So 3 in place of x I'll put minus 2 square plus a is equals to 19. So minus 2 square is 4, 4 3 is a 12, plus a is equals to 19. That means a is equals to 19 minus 12, which is equals to 7. So a is equals to 7. Okay, so part B is g of x is equals to 2x plus 7, h of x is equals to 3x minus 8. Find g h of x. So g h of x is equals to g, and h of x, in place of h of x I substituted 3x minus 8, right? Now putting the value of 3x minus 8 into the function's variable x in g, right? So g function is 2x plus 7, so 2 in place of x, this value 3x minus 8, right, plus 7. So 2 3s are 6x, 2 is 16 plus 7. So it means that 6x, 6 minus 16 plus 7, minus plus minus, so minus, sign of the greater number, minus 9. So answer is 6x minus 9. Find g, the second part is find g inverse x. Again a simple question. So gx is equals to 2x plus 7. In place of gx, y is equals to 2x plus 7. And in place of y I put x. In place of x I put y. Right? Now making the subject y. So 2y is equals to x minus 7. And y is equals to x minus 7 upon 2. So g inverse x is equals to x minus 7 upon 2. I hope that's clear to everyone. That was all about the functions topic. Inshallah, we will be making another video for that. I hope everybody understood the questions, and inshallah this will help you in the paper as well. So looking forward to see more subscribers, more viewers. Jazakallah khairah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.